Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Worthy Tips, where we help you achieve success and live your best life. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 habits that destroy your success. We've all heard that success is a journey and not a destination. But did you know that the path to success is paved with habits? Good habits take you to the top, but bad habits can destroy everything you've worked hard for. So, let's dive in and take a look at the top 5 habits that can sabotage your success. Number 1. Procrastination. Procrastination is the enemy of success. When you procrastinate, you're putting off important tasks and delaying your progress. Procrastination can make you feel overwhelmed and anxious, leading to even more procrastination. This vicious cycle can become a habit that destroys your chances of success. Number 2. Lack of discipline. Discipline is the key to success. If you lack discipline, you'll struggle to stay focused and motivated. Without discipline, you'll find it difficult to stick to your goals and achieve success. Number 3. Negative self-talk. Your thoughts can either lift you up or bring you down. Negative self-talk can be a habit that destroys your success. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough or that you can't do something, you'll start to believe it. This can lead to a lack of confidence and a fear of failure. Number 4. Multitasking. Many people believe that multitasking is an essential skill for success, but in reality, it's a habit that can sabotage your progress. When you try to do too many things at once, you're not giving your full attention to any of them. This can lead to mistakes and a decrease in productivity. Number 5. Lack of planning. Success requires planning. If you don't have a plan, you're just drifting through life without direction. Without a plan, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose sight of your goals. This can lead to a lack of progress and a feeling of being stuck. So there you have it, the top 5 habits that can destroy your success. If you recognize any of these habits in yourself, don't worry, it's never too late to make a change. Start small and work your way up. Remember, good habits take time to form, but once they're ingrained, they can lead to a lifetime of success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.